A lot of Android users have reported that their devices fail to obtain the IP address when trying to connect to a Wi-Fi network. Even more, the issue is not restricted to a certain manufacturer, and it seems all versions of Android are vulnerable to this error. There are various possible reasons for endless obtaining IP address loop and fail to obtain IP address error on Android. In this video I will show you 3 possible solutions to fix this Wi-Fi related issue. Solution 1. Rebooting your Android device and router. Reboot all devices to exclude the casual glitch. Simply switch off your router and wait 2 to 3 minutes and then switch the router on. Solution 2. Forget your Wi-Fi network. Sometimes, fixing this issue is as easy as removing the network from your device before adding it again. This will force the router to automatically reconfigure some settings and assign you a new IP address. Here's how. Go to Settings, then Connection, and select Wi-Fi. Long press on the network that refuses to connect and tap on Forget Network. Tap on it again, enter password and reconnect. Solution 3. Assigning a static IP address. If the solutions above haven't yielded any results, let's try assigning a static IP address. If your device cannot obtain the IP address automatically, you can assign one manually. Go to Settings. Then Connections. Then Wi-Fi and long press on the network that refuses to connect. Tap on Modify Network. Go to Advanced Options. Now you need to change the IP settings to static. In the IP address field, change the last octet with any number from 10 to 255. Make sure it's a different one than the one you already have. Hit save and see if your Android manages to connect to the Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.